You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this town in California? I know the spelling is confusing, but it's easy, so let's break down the pronunciation. Zzy, Zzy, so it's essentially like this ZY, Zzy, and then Zzyzx, so just add an I or an E sound between the Z and the X, and then you got it. A stress is on the first syllable. Zzyzx in Cali, as in Zzyzx Road. If there's a word that you would like help pronouncing, let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.